Oh man, these young punks be killing me nowadays, man. What's wrong with y'all, man? Dressing all funny and stuff. I don't understand. I try to keep up with the slang, you know. Try to keep up with the ebonics. You know, a little nigga came up to me the other day. He said, yo, I heard your shit. Your shit is wavy, man. I said, word, I'm wavy. He said, yeah. I said, nah, homie, I'm a tsunami. Now beat it, little nigga. Giant Lion, let's go. Wild Indian, on the loose again. Giant Lion, spitting that truth again. Poison pen, venomous words. Yes, gentlemen, the veteran is ready to murder them all. Cop back the burner and haul ass. Break fast, get the cheddar and ball. Hit the mall, cop something fancy to wear. The native poet makes the honeys glance and stare. I don't care whether you like me or not. I'm old school. I bring the beef right to your pops. Bust shots like Marines in the hills of Afghanistan. Osama bin rapping, but this ain't the Taliban. Giant Lion, Superman, native threat. 13, I snatch the breath right out of your chest. Show respect, I beat up the beat, catching some wreck. Savage as it gets, grab an average rapper, snap his neck. In the dirty jungle full of trouble, fighting over crumbles. Learn to keep it humble, make the money double. They can't knock the hustle, like to struggle. Many get stuck inside the bubble, trying to stack a bundle. Guess that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Moving like a ninja, leave a nigga injured colder than December. No surrender, Giant Lion's name you will remember. Body parts dismembered. I am the #1 contender, return you to sender. You little pussy chick contenders. Forever my skills remain ill. You ain't real when all you do is destroy. You need to learn to build, but still I still pack steel and I put one in your grill. If you try to hurt my family and stop me from paying bills, just chill and keep the peace before you end up deceased. I'm from New York City, bitch, the belly of the beast, and I must release my stress. The illest out the east. Rest in peace to my brother Sammy Kalamata Chief and his Q4. Word up. Yo, these rappers be whack. They don't even inspire me, man. I gotta inspire myself. It's crazy. I don't know when's the last time I've been inspired. Matter of fact, Nas album. Nas Life is good. The album is dope. You know what I mean? Yeah. But this is what it is, man. You know what this is called? This is inspiration. Yeah. Q4. Yeah. This is inspiration. Yeah. Giant like yeah. We call this inspiration. To the north. Yeah. Let's go. A little inspiration. Superman 13, stupid. Yeah. Break it down. I still spit the hardest regardless the opposition. Without a pot to piss in, I rhyme my way up out of prison. I had to make it just for the sake of heaven. They want me to hate my brethren, but I can spit it like a Mac 11. We gotta make it out before we grow to be too old. We too bold, cause sometimes the world could be too cold. But who knows where life can take you. Trials of life will break you. Jesus Christ, I pray that God surrounds my life with angels. Give me strength and energy and all the remedies to the pain that's inside of my brain from hurtful memories. It takes patience to show love to your enemies and wisdom. Remember, we all die eventually, so my advice is don't look back. Hold on to your dreams and don't let them tell you jack. You can make it, just keep on going. Don't ever stop for no one. Jesus walks, keep on walking till you reach the ocean. Then spread your wings and fly. Now you can reach the sky. Yeah. Inspiration. A little inspiration. Yeah. And this is inspiration. A little inspiration. Just a little inspiration. Yeah. And this is inspiration. 13. A little inspiration. Superman 13, stupid. We call this inspiration. Q4. A little inspiration. Co-op City. Giant Lion Truth. Yeah. Boogie Down Bronx forever, man. Let's go. Lion King mixtape.